What's up guys, today is another day and I am about to try and swap a CRX Dash into my hatch. So in these two boxes here, I have all the parts needed to chuck it in. So I want to see how fast I can get this done before the sun comes up too high over my head. It's about, what time is it now? 7:40 in the morning. So let's need to get this one out real quick, and then put this one in. That being said, I hope I can do it with that steering wheel attached still. Maybe I'll need to take it off. I probably need to take it off, so let me see if I can figure that one out first. Also, this is gonna be a quick vid, so I probably won't even like record everything because there are other people out there who've done dash swap videos. This is just me documenting what I'm doing with my car. So if you really want to learn how to get it done like step by step, then you can search on YouTube for Garage Bit Hondas or Honda Street Garage. Yeah, so be back in a bit. Well, the horn would have never worked because it's taped up. So yeah, carrying on. Alright, so I just took the DA console, center console cover off, and it's interesting, you know, how they did this and got this to work. I mean, you can figure it out. They just cut this off so that it would fit, so that this would fit over it easily. What I'm a little bit puzzled about is I think the car was an automatic before, but I thought that this would have been open. I mean, it doesn't really look like something that they put back in, but again, I've never seen an automatic EF, so I could be wrong. But yeah, it's interesting, really interesting. Ooh, took me a while, but it's out. They did some pretty cool stuff here. Like they ran this silicone bead all the way across the back of the dash. I guess that kind of cushioned it, helped to stop some of the squeaking. Doesn't look too bad under here, but I did notice though. So I mean, this was messed up, but what they did on the back of the dash, which also made it pretty heavy, was to kind of repair with fiberglass. I guess it had started to crack, or maybe they did that to reinforce it. But yeah, they did that all along the back of the dash here. But yeah, everything came out in one piece. Nothing is broken, and yeah. Next step now. Big shout out to Matt Duba because this is flawless. This is flawless. All the pieces needed for it are here. I'm even going to be throwing in an armrest. So yeah, the only thing I noticed is right here. You know, I guess it's got damaged during shipping. But I know it was in perfect condition before I got it. I saw the pictures and everything. I picked this dash out with him via Facebook Messenger. And yeah, he did a really lovely job, you know, putting this here to act as a brace to stop it from folding or bending during shipping. And again, I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's see if we can get this put in. And there we go. Almost complete, and I say almost because a few things. So one, I need to actually get the CRX steering cover so that can work, but the top piece doesn't fit with the dash cover on it like that. This isn't like secured properly. Just stuck that in for the time being. What else? Under here, I need to get this. I reused the old one that I had in the car previously, but I need to get that fuse box cover right there. And of course I need to change my steering wheel. And this is an EK armrest that is not bolted in properly right now. I did get a bracket for it, but I haven't mounted it properly as yet. So yeah, I just need to get this lined up and sorted out. I shaved a little off of here. I didn't really need to. I probably took off too much, so maybe I'll get a second one of this. And then on this side, I need to try and find a way to get this to bolt in. Maybe because this is here, it's affecting it, but the screw on the opposite side, like this one, it's not in. But feels a lot better already than the previous one, to be honest with you. I mean, I could be telling myself that just because I like it, but I actually prefer this. So yeah. So yeah, that being said, I think I'm done working on this for the day. I'm just going to clean up all my stuff and call it a day. Next time around I'm working on the car, should be something more substantial, like some engine work or gearbox work, and just trying to overhaul the engine and figure out what's going on with it. Because I've also realized I'm burning oil like crazy, so that needs to be sorted out as well. Anyway, the battery on the phone died last night, so I didn't get to finish that little montage there of me sorting out the AC on the car. But yeah, AC on the car totally works now, blows ice cold. Yeah. My first EF with AC, like it worked before, but it just wasn't cold. So what I had done was replace the evaporator, the expansion valve in the evap core, and then I put in a new dryer as well. So yeah, as you can see right there, new dryer went in, and the evap core was changed, new cap, new valve, all of those went in. So yeah, if you want to know where I got that from rockauto.com. And they send you the whole kit with the dryer, the expansion valve, the oil for the compressor, and well, the oil for the whole system. Comes with new O-rings, new valves and caps. Yeah, so right now as I would have probably might have said before, the only thing left is to just actually overhaul the engine. Car is still smoking a bit. The oil pan doesn't have a leak anymore, but I have noticed this here. So I was trying to sort out my issue with my ship with a shipper that I actually can't get a hold of. I ordered a whole gasket kit and a bunch of other things for the engine, so I might have to, as of right now, just reorder them. But yeah, so yeah, that's that really short video this time around. Really short video this time around. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try and get them answered. Until next time, peace.